So we just did a walk-in where they have live animals, crabs, lobsters, eels, stacked on top of each other, suffering. Their pincers are clamped together, they can't move. We just saw one of the crabs was stuck in one of the ventilators. We asked the people to work there, can you free the animal, it's stuck. But they were like, oh no, you have to pay to free it. We're like, the animal is stuck, please move it. We are here to make people aware that these animals feel pain just like any other animal and just like us. They deserve to be free, they don't deserve to be treated like this and then used for food. One of the staff, he was taking crabs out with something he used to pick up rubbish off the floor and then throwing them into a basket, and then he weighed them and then someone brought them right in front of us while we were standing there, silently and peacefully, just standing there, bearing witness and making a stand for these animals.